In this video, I will show you how to add a phone number in Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. You can do this on the Steam app or the web-based version of Steam. Steps are the same, but in this example today, I'll be using the Steam app. So once you've got Steam opened and you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner, hover over your profile icon at the top, and you're going to see it says Manage Account. Just give that a click to bring up this menu. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto Account Details. What that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and you want to make sure you clicked onto Account Details, and you're going to see a section called Contact Info. Now in here, you can add a phone number by clicking onto the Add a Phone Number button here. Then what you can do is add your phone number. So by adding your phone number, it adds an additional layer of security. As you can see, if you add an SMS-capable phone to your Steam account, you can ask Steam to text you a code to regain access if you've lost your account and you can't log in. Also, it's going to help recover your account if, unfortunately, it does get compromised, or if, for example, you've lost your password, lost access to your email account, or lost your Steam Guard mobile authenticator. So it's actually really handy to add your phone number. So what you want to do is select your country code from the drop-down box here. Then what you would do is enter your number into the box underneath. Once you've entered your number, come down and click Next at the bottom. At this point, what they're going to do is send you an email. So what you want to do is open up the email that's on your account, and there's going to be a link in the email to click to verify that it's you adding your phone number. So here we are. As you can see, I've got the email opened, and as you can see, there's a blue add phone number button. So what you want to do is just give that a click to verify this, and that's just going to bring up a confirmation window. As you can see, it says email confirmed. The phone can now be added to your account. So what I'm going to do is just minimize this. Then if we come back to Steam and click next at the bottom, we can now enter the SMS code, which will be sent to our mobile phone. If after a minute or two it doesn't come through, then just go ahead and click the blue send the code again button, and once you've entered the code in, just click next at the bottom. At this point, if everything is good, you're going to get a confirmation saying you successfully added a phone number to your account. You should also receive a confirmation email as well, so you can just go ahead, click done at the bottom. And if we now come back up to the top right hand corner, click onto this and come back to account details, you can see our phone number is now added to our account. So that is how to add a phone number on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.